So here's how to turn off joins in Roblox and prevent people, friends, or followers from joining your experiences or see your activity or status on Roblox. So first you'll need to go to settings and then privacy and content maturity and then visibility and private servers and then visibility, and then you can choose here to who to show the current experience or status. You can choose everyone, friends, followers, and people I follow, or friends and people I follow only, or friends only, or no one, to restrict everyone from seeing your status or current experience you're in. Now you can only turn this off to prevent it from sharing activity updates to friends and recent activity experiences. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.